Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to remove the green screen in Clipchamp. If you've been searching for a way to remove background from a video, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To remove a green screen from a video in Clipchamp, first of all, open the Clipchamp app on your computer or in your computer web browser and log in to your account. Now, click on the Create a New Video button to start a new project or open an existing project. Once the editor opens, import the video with the green screen background and the background video or image you want to use. To upload in Clipchamp, click on the Import Media button or drag and drop files into the media library. First, drag the background video or image to the first layer of the timeline. I am adding this image for the background. Again, drag the green screen video to the layer above the background. I am adding this dog video to remove the background from it. Once you added both, click on the green screen video in the timeline to select it. On the right side of the screen, you will see various options. Click on Effects. Scroll through the effects until you see green screen. Once found, select the green screen. Clipchamp will automatically remove the green background from your video. If you are not satisfied with the auto removal, you can use these threshold sliders to adjust for a more precise result. Now, play the video in the preview window to ensure the green screen has been removed correctly and the background appears as desired. Once you are satisfied with the results, click the Export button in the top right corner of the screen. By following these simple steps, you can easily remove a green screen background from your video using Clipchamp.